Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Scooter. In this video I'll show you how to install the lock to front bar of your scooter. This tutorial will be more theoretical than practical because currently I've got one lock installed. Firstly, make sure to measure the front bar circuit and then buy the lock which is most suitable for you. Make sure that this lock will fit to the bar. Then most of the locks have the screws like this. You have to tighten on the bar. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.